Are you looking for a fresh start in Europe? Finland, one of the happiest and safest countries in the world, is now offering job visa sponsorship opportunities for skilled workers from around the globe. Finland offers not just job but a high quality of life, clean environment and excellent work-life balance. So if you've been dreaming of working abroad, this could be your chance. The link to the website is in the description box. And if you find value in this video, make sure to share to your friends, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give us a like button.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
So once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you're seeing on the screen here. All you have to do is to search for jobs that align with your own field. Here we have Director of Marketing Strategy and Operation. We have Customer Success Manager. We have Brand and Customer Manager Neurology. We have Mechanic. We have Senior EPM Pre-sales Professional. We have Payroll Country Champion. We have Process Operator, Consulting and Analytic Grade. We have Revenue Operation Specialist, Software Developer again, Senior Solution Sales Specialist, Process Operator, Product Line Manager. So we have lots of vacancy on this website. So there is something for everyone. All you have to do is to search for jobs. After getting the vacancy, the job you're looking for, you click on it. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, then it will bring full details about the job. On the right hand side you can see this is the Director of Marketing Strategy and Operation that I clicked on, and it gave me the full description about the job on my right hand side. So I have to know about the job before I send out my application. So it's a full-time job. You read everything about the company. The name of the company is what, the key responsibility, marketing strategy and execution, performance management and operation model, stakeholder engagement and governance system tools, scalability. So this is everything you need to know about the Director of Marketing Strategy and Operation. Most of the jobs on this website are for people with experience, skilled workers, not for unskilled workers. So once you read through about the job details and it's a job you would like to go for, you just click on this apply on employer site, and it will redirect you to the employer's site where you can send out your application. And please, when you are sending out your application, make sure your CV as in stands out, like your CV is exceptional, make it eye catching. Like, so just make sure your CV sells you out a lot, and include your cover letter and any other supporting document that can boost your chance of getting hired. So make sure you do all of that. And this step I used for the Director of Marketing is the same step you are going to use for any other job you are checking out on this website. For the Customer Success Manager, and when you are sending out your application, always include it that, oh, you want the employer to sponsor your visa, your work visa. So if their company is a licensed one and they are eligible to do that, and you meet up with the requirements, you meet up with the expectation, everything, then they will definitely get you down to Finland to start working. So the Customer Success Manager also, who are we, who you are, okay, this is what you do, what success look like, what you will bring, why this role is different and other information. So the salary based on what you bring it to the table. Once you are done reading and you like to go for it, just click on this apply on employer site and send out your application. Please make sure you follow instruction and do it as it says. So I wish you best of luck.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.